Hey guys, let's make this toffee apple tart. Very nice. So we're gonna use these sweet tart cases that I've made previously. I will put a link in the description for it. We're gonna use 3 beautiful apples. They smell very nice. Super simple. Let's slice. This is a very cool machine. Well, when it works. It peels the apple, slice it, and remove the core. Really cool, huh? You can find it on Amazon if you like. That's it. Chop the apples in small pieces, in half, each half in 3. And put all those little apple petals inside the tart cases. This tart cases is 10 centimeter, no, 20 centimeter diameter. There you go. Nicely spread. It's okay if it goes a bit over. So now we need that toffee. Very simple. We need in a plastic bowl 160 grams of butter, unsalted butter. There. This baby is gonna melt in the microwave. So then we're gonna use this Muscavado sugar, natural with molasses. It has this nice caramel flavor, toffee flavor. It hasn't been refined like a white sugar. It's minimum refining. It's delicious. So in the melted butter, 140 grams of Muscavado sugar. Mix together. Got a big lump of sugar here in a whisk. Gonna crush it. All right. Let's add 2 eggs. Oh, without the shell. Oh no, it disappeared. Ah, there it is. There. I got it. Let's mix the eggs through. The eggs turn that batter very creamy. The tart on a tray. Let's pour that batter on top of the apples all over. And that's it. This, bake it at 170 until nice color. Make sure the pastry is cooked underneath. And you're gonna be so impressed. It's very delicious. Look at this. Look at this beauty. The batter is fluffing up because of the eggs. Molasses toffee flavor is delicious with apple. So, to make sure it's cooked underneath, what we can do is get a rack. We're sliding the tart on a rack, remove the paper, and check underneath. Oh, it's nice and golden. That means it's done. So we're gonna let it cool down and enjoy a beautiful slice. Look at this. It's so beautiful. There you go, guys. Muscavado Apple Tart.